What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to display your WooCommerce products into a grid using only the WordPress blocks editor, the Gutenberg. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. The very first step is go to your browser, type your domain plus wp-admin, enter with login credentials, review WordPress left sidebar of menus and click on products. Make sure that you already have products set up and visible on your shop. In the case that you don't know how to create products, just go to YouTube and search for Visualmodo WooCommerce and find tips on our playlist. After this, go to Google and type products blocks for WooCommerce. Go to this first link on WordPress.org. The developer is get body. Okay, click on download. You're gonna get the file. All you have to do is go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're gonna be able to see a button called Install Plugins. Then choose File, or Upload Plugins and choose File. Select the file that you just have downloaded. Click on Open. Click on Install Now, and click into the Activate Plugin button. Then the plugin is installed, okay? If you scroll down, you're gonna be able to see the product blocks for WooCommerce. And how to use this? All you have to do is go to our page, click on Add New, or go to a previously made page, and start using the blocks. Let me show you one example. We have a very nice option, okay? You have the product carousel. That is one of my favorites. Click into the plus button to add a block. Then, into search, type the block that I would like to use. In my case, product carousel. And here is the result we got. In the case that I want, you can customize the products, for example, to display all the products. We can filter, we can go to the newer, all from title, and we can set a number of products, the columns, the space. After this, all I have to do is publish the page, and let's see the results we got. As you can see, we have a slider with the products, okay? But we can do more and way more using this plugin in the case that I want. Click on the plus button, browse all, and right here we have product block for WooCommerce. We have all the blocks right here. We have product categories grid in the case that I want. For example, okay? I only have one category, so this is what I can display. But we can choose other blocks. For example, the selected products list. Or just like this. You can click and customize once again, changing the number of products in the case that I want. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!